means this one. The non-parallel sides are equal. So in our case also it's the same. So these two sides are equal and it's given that one of the side is 50 meters. So if this is 50, the other will be definitely 50. So let's add, the perimeter is 215. S1, this parallel side, plus 50 plus S2 plus 50 equals to 215. So S1 plus S2 equals to 215 minus 100, right? That is 115. So that's the what is required. Abhi's garden is in form of a parallelogram whose one side is 4.8 centimeter and it should be meter. How can a garden be in centimeter? So whose one side is 4.8 meters and the other side is 1.5 times of this side. He wants to fence this garden 4 times by the wire. How much length of the wire would be required? See, this garden is parallelogram. One side is 4.8, other is 1.5 means 1.5, other is 1.5 times. So it's very easy. Find the perimeter first. S1 equals to 4.8, S2 equals to 4.8 into 1.5, so 7.2. So this side is 4.8, this side is 7.2. So the perimeter is what? Perimeter is 4.8 plus 7.2 plus 4.8 plus 7.2. That is 24 meters. Okay, then he wants to border means wire it 4 times. So 4 into 24, that is 96 meters. That much is the length of the wire required. Answer is 96 meters. Next, a theatre is in the town is built in form of a kite. So this is a kite. Kite means two adjacent sides equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Then its perimeter is 100 meters. Total of all sides is 100 meters. If one of its sides is 20 meters, then what is the length of the other side? Here, one is 20. Now this I have taken as 20. Somebody can take the longer side as 20 also. And the other side is x. So one is 20, so other will be 20, right? So two adjacent sides 20 20. Length of other sides, so let them be x. This be x and this be x. So perimeter means what? Total of all the sides. So 20 plus 20 plus x equals to 100, right? In the kite, adjacent sides are always equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, so 20 plus x, add this 40 and 2x and 40 over here 60, 2x over here 30, x equals to 30. So the two sides are, this is 30 and this is 30. So what are the four sides? So 30, 20, 20, 30. You want the length of the other side. Other side is 30. Okay. Next is state true or false. Every rectangle is a trapezium. What is the condition of trapezium? So one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So one pair should be parallel. Is it so in rectangle? One pair is parallel. In fact, both the sides are both the pairs are parallel. So this condition of one pair of opposite sides is parallel is satisfied in the rectangle, right? That's why every rectangle is a trapezium. That's true. But reverse is not true. A quadrilateral can be drawn if all the four sides and one angle is known. That is also true. Quite simple. First draw the two known sides, then the angle between them which is known. Okay. Then now we require only third and fourth side. Take a compass, make the arc of that much angles and draw them. See, take the lengths, respective lengths on the arc and draw them, cut them, and the point which intersects is the third and fourth side. Okay. See this way, the arc is cut over here and then join the 2 points. So you get the quadrilateral. Quite simple. Next, a triangle is a polygon whose sum of exterior angles is double the sum of the interior angles. Firstly, a triangle is a polygon. That's true, because polygon means any figure, closed figure, which has segments, line segments, and which has more than two sides, right? So it is a polygon. Now the next question is, whose sum of exterior angles is double that of the interior angles. Let's try. Let's say this is a triangle whose measures are 70, 80 and 30. Why 70, 80, 30? Because sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So 70 plus 80 plus 30 is 180. Now exterior angle. How do you find exterior angle? Exterior angle and interior angle form a linear pair. So exterior plus interior equals to 180. So 70 plus exterior equals to 180, right? These are interior angles. So put 70 ones over here. So exterior plus 70 equals to 180. So exterior equals to 110 for this 70. For this 80, what is the exterior angle? 80 plus exterior plus 80 equals to 100. So exterior equals to 100 degrees. Now for this 30 degrees. Exterior plus 30 equals to 180. So exterior equals to 150, right? So add them and the answer you get is 360. So what is the statement given? The sum of exterior angles is double the sum of the interior angles. This is true, right? If diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, it must be a rectangle. Is it true? See, these are the 6 main quadrilaterals. Check where are the diagonals equal. See here, this rectangle, diagonals equal and bisect each other. The diagonals are equal. Square, diagonals bisect each other at right angles and diagonals are equal. So it can be a rectangle or a square. Now remaining else, rhombus, no, not equal. Trapezoid, regular trapezoid can be equal. See here, this and this, it can be equal if it's a regular trapezoid. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, question banks, tests with explanations on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30 by heart, squares up to 30 by heart and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful to you throughout your life. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months. You'll learn them within 3 months and that would be useful to you throughout your life. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.